few friends, few problems. Mastering few with countable nouns. Hello language explorers. Welcome back to another exciting English language learning video. Today, we will be delving into the fascinating world of quantifiers, specifically focusing on the word few and how it pairs with countable nouns. We're about to shed light on this crucial grammar point and help you communicate more clearly and effectively in English. Let's get started. To understand the usage of few, it's important that we first understand what countable nouns are. Countable nouns are simply things that we can count. They have both a singular and a plural form. For example, we can have one cat, two cats, or a few cats. Other examples of countable nouns are books, trees, people, and cars. The term few is what we call a quantifier. It is used to show the amount or number of something, especially when the number is not large. When we use few, it means not many, or only a small number. Few is used specifically with countable nouns. Let's look at some examples. I have few friends in the city. This means I do not have many friends in the city. She reads few books each year. This means she does not read many books each year. Now let's dive a bit deeper and understand the subtle differences between few, a few, and the few. Few suggests a negative idea. It means not many or almost none. For example, he has few friends implies that he almost has no friends, and this is a negative situation. A few has a more positive implication. It means a small number, but still some. For example, he has a few friends implies that he does have some friends, though the number is not large. The few means not many but all there are. For example, the few friends he has are very loyal, implies that while he does not have many friends, all the friends he has are very loyal. That's a wrap on our journey through the use of few with countable nouns in English. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. Try using few, a few, and the few in your daily English conversations and see how much you improve. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, language is the passport to the world. Until next time, happy learning!